Creating your own app with no code has never been that easy. In my last video, I showed you how I created an AI app using Bubble and Flowise that is capable of research through YouTube to help creators with their next video idea. And just like that, you can create your own one. So in this video, I want to tell you my story creating this application, the possibilities I see with these technologies, and how you can create your own one too. So my story started here. I am a Bubble developer and had developed several applications in the past, but had the curiosity and the desire to develop an application that leverages AI capabilities from LLMs such as ChatGPT or Llama, etc. So one day navigating through YouTube, I discovered this channel. I really recommend his channel because he makes tutorials about no-code AI applications that helps you to build your own app leveraging AI capabilities. So the day I discovered channel was the same day I discovered Flowise. That is one of the best no-code AI apps. And the thing I like a lot about Flowise is that they are open source. So in any case that you want to continue developing with custom code, you can, because you have the freedom to do that. Thing that doesn't happen with other AI no-code apps, that once you start building with them, have you stuck in the same platform because you cannot customize your code or export your code to your own server, etc. So with that said, the idea of the app came from one of the videos from Leon, and what I did was to literally copy and paste the chatbot he teaches in one of his videos, and the thing I added on top of that was to integrate that with Bubble, so that when you copy on Bubble a prompt, the AI chatbot Flowise will send us a response, and that response will be stored in our own database in Bubble. It's just a showcase for you to imagine the capabilities of Bubble integrated with Flowise. In this case, this is the YouTube researcher, and given a prompt, is going to send that to Flowise, and Flowise is going to, using GPT-4, make a research through YouTube and retrieve to us related videos to the one we want to make. So for example, here we can see the history of other researches that I made before. And in this case, for this video, I use this platform so that this was the prompt. Create your AI SaaS with no code in minutes, and the keyword he selected to search through YouTube was basically the same as the prompt that I sent it, but it could be different. And as you can see, the response that sent back to us Flowise is being divided here in different parts of the interface. So instead of just being a plain text like it is in ChatGPT or when you use Gemini or other AI chats, you can make it more beautiful and easier to understand, because you can customize it to look like you want. In this case, I wanted it to divide in the following parts. First, the prompt, then the keyword, the related videos, and you can play them. 10 ideas of high click-through rate titles for that video idea, a YouTube description, and a X or Twitter post that is going to help me to bring more viewers to my video. And I am hoping that by seeing this, your imagination start working, seeing the possibilities of this. An example could be a target or customer persona creator for, I don't know, for companies or marketing agencies, that given a prompt of the characteristics of their customers, the application can create them a customer persona, dividing the different parts of the customer persona in the interface so that it is more straightforward to see and to understand. Now that I told you my story with this, and you can see how easy it can be to develop such an application, let's see some examples of other applications that could be created with Bubble and Flowise or other AI no-code platform in a matter of weeks. So first of all, we have an email writer. This is pretty easy to create. We can here type, for example, what is the email about. So let's say that I want to make an email for my, this is an email for an old friend. I want to congratulate him for his birthday. And let's see what retrieved this application. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so the next app I want to show you is a customer avatar generator that, given an audience and a goal that you want to achieve, is going to generate a customer avatar for you. So let's say that I am a realtor ubicated in Dubai, and my goal is to sell expensive real estate apartments in the downtown of Dubai. Get content and let's see what happens. Okay, and it is giving us some options, and it retrieves us 2 responses. And the last use case that I want to show you is this application that helps the user to, given some ingredients or given a receipt, is going to give us the instructions and the entire receipt details for us to cook it in our own home. So let's say, for example, that I have chicken, lettuce, and some tomatoes, and generate. And with that, it's giving us some more ingredients that we are going to need and the steps to do that. Imagine if you have a software like this one and you make your users to be paying you month after month for a thing that you just have to build once. So now that I show you my story and some real use cases of these kind of applications, I'm going to explain you how you can create your own one with no code. So the first thing you need is an idea or a need that you identify in the market. Then I recommend you to write that down in your computer or in paper or in any part where you can have that written, and identify the platforms that can be useful for developing that kind of application. So for example, in the case of wrappers that just leverage the capabilities of GPT-4, you can use Flowise or other no-code AI builders. But for example, you want to use some voice AIs, I really recommend Vapi. Or for example, if you want to make automations, you can use Zapier that has some AI capabilities already integrated. But as I said I really like Flowise. Langflow is other platform that I really recommend. And for the interface and the database, I really recommend Bubble.io. So you first identify an idea or a need in the market, then you write that down, and then you can use Figma for design how the interface will look, and you start building. So you can do it by yourself or by hiring an agency. If you're interested in hiring an agency, you can reach me out through my LinkedIn profile that I leave you in the description of the video. And that is it. Stay tuned, because I am going to be uploading videos more frequently about no code, AI, and business.